So here's a cool Jeep. This one belongs to Matt Flanders, but it's the Flanders family mobile. It's gone through a couple stages. It originally had factory 44s from the Rubicon, and then he jumped up to Dynatrac 60s front and rear. So got that full float option where you can turn the hub in and out. KMC beadlocks, the Cooper STT Pros, Genright aluminum bumper with steel D-ring shackles, rigid lights on the bumper and the A-pillar, worn winch. It's got the American Adventure Lab fender chop, so it raises up, puts the blinker still there, and the American Adventure Lab inner fenders. It's got the Fox 3.0 shocks where we had to trim for the Genright bumper to make it work there. It's got rock slide engineering electric steps. A little dirty at the moment. It's got a Teraflex long arm front and rear, so you can see their rear long arm suspension there, and the Fox 3.0 shock as well. So that Dynatrac 60 rear. It's a nice Jeep. It's a diesel. It's got the 3-liter in it. You can tell he's wheeled it and used it. Like I said, he bent the front 44 playing a little too hard, and then that's when he went to the larger setup. But yeah, this one was equipped with the factory front camera, which makes it kind of nice for wheeling in certain areas when you're wheeling by yourself. But yeah, there's a good look at his Jeep 20,000 miles later. Like I say, there's those rock slide steps. SPOD. 21,000 miles on her. But yeah, there's a good look at his 2021 Diesel Gladiator on 40's.